Hello everyone, today we are going to start with Electronic Spreadsheet Advanced. This is our second unit. For spreadsheet, we are going to use LibreOffice Calc. We know how to use Microsoft Excel very well. Just for starting with advanced spreadsheet, I will just go through with the basic of LibreOffice Calc. This is the interface look like in LibreOffice Calc. Here the quick access toolbar is there on the left side of top side of in the left side. Then there is a title bar. This is the ribbon. The control buttons on the right side. Here is the name box where you can see here which cell you are in which cell currently. These are the row heading. These are the column headings. Here formatting toolbar is there. This is the formula bar, and whichever cell is you are clicking, the thick border is coming for that is called as active cell. Here is the vertical scroll bar and here is the horizontal scroll bar. You can see here sheets tabs are there. You can add more sheets and that by clicking the plus sign. Here is the navigation for your worksheets. From zoom in, zoom out for zoom control. This is normal the user interface of your LibreOffice Calc. Now how to open the LibreOffice Calc? First click on your LibreOffice software. When you are clicking on this screen is coming. From this here Calc spreadsheet is there. Click on that. Like this you can open your Calc spreadsheet. As the spreadsheets become larger, they become difficult to manage to handle an increasing size of spreadsheet. The concept of a workbook was identified. LibreOffice Calc is used to perform the following activities accurately and efficiently: tabulation of data, simple mathematical calculation, complex calculation using formula and functions, arranging this data in ascending or descending order according to your sorting, filtering the required data, check the validity of data, protection of data using passwords, and saving for the future use. It is same like how we are using our Microsoft Excel for making your data for future use. You can store your data from here by adding plus sign. You will add the more sheets in your workbook. The horizontal rows, these are all we call rows, and these verticals we call as columns. When you are selecting more than one rows, we call that row range, and this range is here D5 to D14. If you are selecting more columns, that range will appear F10 to J10. For keeping value in your LibreOffice Calc, just click the cells, write just by clicking your cells you can just write your data, whichever data you want. I have made here small table by name and maths and science marks, and I am going to show you how to do total in your Calc sheets, LibreOffice Calc. In Microsoft Word, Excel, we know how to do it. We have to just select and here formula option will be there. But in Calc, LibreOffice Calc, how to do it, I am just going to show you. It's same like your Excel. You just have to click the cells where you want to insert the formula. Click equal sign. Once you have clicking, now I want to find the total of maths and science for that particular person. The maths is for B2. and plus, click the plus sign and then select the science marks is in C2 and press the enter key. Total will come automatically. For writing same formula for everyone, it's better, instead of going again writing equal sign and do the same C3 B3 C plus C3, instead of that I'll just click on this point is there, if you see, I'll just click on that and drag it. When I'm dragging the formula also, and you will see the calculation will done automatically. Like that you can do the sum, maximum, minimum, average for finding the in your LibreOffice Calc. For inserting new column, I'll just click on this, and here in sheet, when I'm clicking on here, you will see insert column. In that you will see two options, before that column whichever we have selected, or after that column. Just click on the before column. You will see one column have been inserted. Same goes with the for rows also. Go to click and insert rows above or below. Like this the row will get inserted. If you want to delete, same select that, go to the sheet and here delete columns. Click on that column will get deleted. Same for rows, click on this, go to the sheets and delete rows. Like that how you can manage your data sheets in the LibreOffice Calc. Before starting the advanced settings, I just want you to learn basic of LibreOffice Calc, because till now we have learned about the Excel. It's the same how we are doing Excel, it's the same only LibreOffice Calc. Only few differences are there because of the interface and all. So just go through with this practice. Next video I will start with the analyze data using scenarios and goal seek in your electronic spreadsheet advanced. Practice for LibreOffice for basic, how to do calculation, how to insert, how to add. Practice with that. Next week we are going to start with the analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. Thank you.